Good afternoon, everyone. In the last lecture, we saw how to draw haze diagrams of different posets. Okay. So when you say that it is the haze diagram, it is understood that the relation is a partial order relation. That means it is reflexive, antisymmetric, and transitive. Frequently, I am repeating these definitions so that whenever you think about poset, whenever you think about partial order relation, you should remember this definition. Okay. Now let us move to maximal and minimal elements from the haze diagram and from the definitions of covered by, less than or equal to, etc. We will define maximal and minimal elements. I told you earlier that every partial order relation now henceforth we will denote by less equal. Okay, less equal is the notation we are going to use for partial order relation. So I'm repeating it again that less equal could be usual less equal, usual less than or equal to. Okay, that is less than or equal to the same symbol, or it could be divides, or it could be subset of, or contained in, or any other user defined partial order relation. Okay, so will you please remember this? Less than or equal to is the notation for partial order relation. We will denote a poset by P less equal. Okay, is that okay, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. So let us first write few things. Okay, in a poset, please write down with me. In a poset, P less than or equal to. So P less than or equal to, P stands for the set on which you are defining partial order relation, and less than or equal to could be any of these relations which I have written. Okay. In a poset P less than or equal to, we know that A precedes B. Before writing A covers B or A is covered by B, we have seen A precedes B. Okay, A precedes B means what? Means A is less equal B. Less equal not magnitude wise, it means A is related to B. Okay, under that partial order relation. Okay, A precedes B means A is less than or equal to B means A is related to B. We are just replacing R by less equal, as R is definitely a partial order relation. If it happens that A is less than or equal to B, but A is not equal to B, okay, then we say that A strictly precedes B. Strictly precedes B. Can you tell me in which case A is less than or equal to B but A is equal to B होता है? Can you tell me? A is less equal B. Less equal means any relation, huh? Usual less equal, divides or contained in. See, when relation is reflexive, when less than or equal to is a partial order relation, it is definitely reflexive. So every element is less than or equal to itself. if you consider usual less equal. Every element divides itself. Every set is a subset of itself. Yes or no?
Yes, reflexive.
So here I will say A precedes A. But when I know that 2 divides 4, I will write 2 strictly precedes 4. Do you understand the difference? 2 strictly precedes 4. And when I say 2 divides itself, I will say 2 precedes 2. Okay? So strictly precedes का मतलब है A is not equal to B. Why we are defining this A strictly precedes B? Because we want to define maximal and minimal element using this. Okay? So let us write the definition of maximal element first. An element A in a poset P less than or equal to is called maximal element if it does not strictly precede any element of P. Now tell me one thing. When I say A strictly precedes B, in the Hayes diagram, where will be A and where will be B? Which element will be at the upper level and which element will be at lower level? A strictly precedes B means A is less equal B and A is not equal to B. Less equal B means A is related to B. So it could be A less equal B, or it could be A divides B, it could be A is contained in B, etc. etc. So where will be location of A? Where will be A located? In the Hayes diagram. Lower or upper?
Lower.
A strictly precedes B का मतलब है A will be at the lower level and B will be at the upper level. Do you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
And when I say that an element A in a poset is called maximal element if it does not strictly precede any element of P, that means A is at the top. Do you understand it? Do you understand it? A does not strictly precede any element. Matlab there is no element, there does not exist any element X in P such that A is less equal P. A is less equal X. Sorry. ऐसा कोई भी एलिमेंट आपको X एलिमेंट नहीं मिलेगा. A precedes that element. Okay? That means A के ऊपर कोई नहीं होगा Hayes diagram में. Do you understand it? A will be at the topmost level. समझा के नहीं? Are you getting it? Huh. Now
Yes.
similarly, we can define minimal element. And then we will have example of both. Okay. From the same Hayes diagram, we can find minimal and maximal elements. Can you tell me what it could be? Minimal element क्या हो सकता है? an element A in a poset P less equal is called minimal element. Yes, what could it be? Any guesses?
If it strictly precedes any element.
If it
Strictly precedes.
no. If there is no element which precedes A.
तो मैम आपने मैक्सिमल में डज नॉट क्यों लिखा है?
हाँ, तो डज नॉट ही है ना. Maximal element if it does not strictly precede any element. Maximal element does not precede any element means what? Maximal element के ऊपर कुछ नहीं होगा. When you say A precedes B, या मैं अलग लिखती हूँ, तुम इस A में और उस A में कंफ्यूज मत हो जाओ. When I say P precedes Q, what do you mean by this? Tell me. P precedes Q का मतलब क्या है? हेज डायग्राम में P कहाँ पे होगा और Q कहाँ पे होगा?
पी नीचे होगा.
P नीचे होगा और Q ऊपर होगा ना कहीं पे. यू अंडरस्टैंड मी? तो ऐसा एलिमेंट देखो, मैक्सिमल एलिमेंट इफ इट डज नॉट स्ट्रिक्टली प्रिसीड एनी एलिमेंट ऑफ P. सो ऐसा कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं है जिसे ये A एलिमेंट प्रिसीड करता है, मतलब A के ऊपर कुछ नहीं है, A के सर पे कुछ नहीं है. गॉट इट? सबसे टॉप पे A है, A के बाद ऊपर कुछ नहीं है. देन A विल बिकम मैक्सिमल. वैसे ही अभी नो एलिमेंट प्रिसीड्स A मीन्स A के नीचे कुछ भी नहीं है. An element A in a poset is called minimal element if there is no element in P. उल्टा मैं कैसे बोल रही हूं? उल्टा का मतलब डज नॉट है तो यहाँ पे डज होगा, ऐसे नहीं होता है. यू हैव स्टडीड लॉजिक, यू हैव स्टडीड निगेशन, राइट? If there is no element in P which precedes A. That means A के नीचे कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं होगा P का. A will be at the bottom level. Now here we are using same letter, but obviously in the Hayes diagram we will be having different letters. This is just a definition we are having. That's why we are using the same letter A here and here also. Okay? इसका मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि हर हेज डायग्राम में मैक्सिमल एलिमेंट ए ही होगा, मिनिमल एलिमेंट ए ही होगा. इट कुड बी एनी एलिमेंट, एनी लेटर कैन बी यूज्ड. ओके, now we will have one example. Through examples it will be more cleared. Okay, see, I am drawing a haze diagram. I don't know what is the relation, but I am just drawing the haze diagram. A and B are at the same level. That means they are not comparable. Okay. This is C, D, and E. Then we have P, Q, and R. Okay, and this is the Hayes diagram. The relation is given by this. Okay. So A, B are non-comparable, C and D are non-comparable, D and E are non-comparable, D and Q are also not comparable. Okay, then P and Q are not comparable, Q and R are not comparable. But A and Q are comparable through ACQ, AEQ. Okay. Now which are the maximal elements here? Maximal element if it does not strictly precede any element. ऐसे एलिमेंट्स चाहिए जिनके ऊपर कुछ नहीं है हेज डायग्राम में. कैन यू टेल मी A precedes whom? A precedes which elements? Tell me. Precedes
PQR.
and covered by is different. Precedes means related. A is less equal that, under that relation. Less equal, not magnitude wise, partial order relation wise. So here A precedes how many elements?
2.
Which two?
C and D.
I will say all. A precedes C, D, E, P, Q, R. सबको precede कर रहा है ये. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yes. A precedes every element. And B also precedes every element. Right? Through transitivity. A precedes C and C precedes P. So A precedes P. But A is covered by which elements? A is
C
covered
and
C
D.
and D.
C, D, E. E nahi, sorry, C and D. And
C and D.
B is covered by?
D and E.
So A does not precede E also, sorry. A does not precede E and B does not precede C. ये भी तो है ना? B does not precede C. Correct है क्या? Girls. Correct है क्या? But do you find any element in P which precedes A and B? A और B के नीचे कुछ दिखाई दे रहा है क्या? You are getting it or not?
Ma'am, then
Huh?
how will A precede R?
Huh?
How
A
will
precede
A
R,
precede
ना?
R?
A precede R भी नहीं होगा, सॉरी मैंने वो भी कंफ्यूज किया आपको. और ये भी नहीं होगा. Yes, correct. And B also does not precede P, right? B does not precede P also. A precedes C, P, Q and D, correct. C, D, P, Q. And B precedes D, E, Q, R, correct. अभी correct है क्या? Now it's correct.
Yes.
हाँ. अभी मुझे बात बताओ, is there any element which precedes A and B? Precede का मतलब वो एलिमेंट नीचे होना चाहिए A और B के. है क्या वैसे?
No.
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so there does not exist any element in P which precedes A and B, right? और which precedes A which precedes B, ऐसे separately लिखा तो भी चलेगा. And therefore A and B are what? What are A and B? Tell me.
Minimal elements?
Minimal elements, because minimal element, if there is no element in P which precedes A, okay, then A is the minimal element. So here A and B, there is no element in P which precedes A and B both, and therefore A and B both are minimal elements. Have you got it? Are minimal elements. Now similarly, tell me, is there any element which precedes P or Q or R? Is there any element which precedes, strictly precedes, you can say, P or Q or R, or P and or क्यू, ऐसे कुछ भी लिख सकते हो आप। दोनों को कर रहा है या एक को कर रहा है, ऐसा कोई एलिमेंट है क्या? गर्ल्स, आर यू गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? मैंने अभी एक गलती की है पूछने में। क्या गलती की बताओ?
मैम पहले वाले में भी आपने बोला कि
हाँ,
देयर इज नो एलिमेंट इन
हाँ,
पी व्हिच
sorry.
प्रीसीड्स
तो
ए
पी
एंड बी।
क्यू आर को प्रिसीड करते हैं, पी को प्रिसीड करता है सी, क्यू को प्रिसीड करता है सी, पी क्यू दोनों को सी और ए प्रिसीड करता है, क्यू आर को दोनों को बी एंड ई प्रिसीड करता है। मैंने क्या पूछना चाहिए? इज देयर एनी एलिमेंट इन पी, is there any element in P such that P, Q, R precede it? Do you get any element to whom P, Q, and R precede? Is there any element?
No.
No, that means there is nothing above P, Q, R, right? P, Q, and R are having the topmost position. What about D? What about D? Though I have written D one level below than PQR, D के above कुछ दिख रहा है क्या आपको?
No, ma'am.
A and
No,
P,
ma'am.
A and B both precede D, but there is no element to whom D precedes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So there does not exist any element in P which precedes, sorry, मैं फिर से गलती कर रही हूँ, which is preceded by कह सकते हैं हम. There does not exist any element in P such that P, Q, R and D precede it. So actually D is written at the lower level of P, Q and R, but still there is no one above D with whom it is connected. Therefore D is also a maximal element. P, Q, R and D all are maximal elements. Do you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
That means we are not getting unique minimal element or unique maximal elements. Minimal and maximal elements can be more than one. Okay? Therefore, you can write this note. A POSET can have, this is very important result. A POSET can have more than one maximal or minimal elements. More than one maximal or minimal elements. Okay? But here what is happening is, see, P, Q if I consider, which elements precede P and Q? Tell me. Which elements precede P and Q? मतलब नीचे है, P और Q के नीचे है, कनेक्टेड है P और Q के साथ. A and C, right?
And A.
A, P का सोचो, सिर्फ P का सोचो. P को कौन कौन प्रिसीड करता है? A and C. Right? A precedes P, A precedes C. Strictly precedes. हर एक एलिमेंट करता है क्या इस हेज डायग्राम का या इस पोसेट का? हर एक एलिमेंट P को प्रिसीड करता है क्या? A, B, C, D, E, Q, R all precede P. ऐसा है क्या? Come on, girls, answer my question. Do you find that every element other than P precede P? ऐसा हो रहा है क्या? Which elements precede P? Again, I'm asking you the same question. Which elements precede P? A and C, right? B does not precede P. D does not precede P. E does not precede P. Q does not precede P. R does not precede P. Do you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, B precedes E, B precedes R, B precedes Q. But here you are not getting one element to which every other element precedes. Or you are not get one element such that it precedes every other element. ऐसा भी नहीं मिल रहा है आपको. ए अगर सी को और पी को प्रिसीड करता है, क्यू को भी प्रिसीड करता है, लेकिन डी को भी करता है, बट ए डज नॉट प्रिसीड ई, ए डज नॉट प्रिसीड आर. So you are not getting one single element such that every element of P precedes it or it precedes every element of P. ऐसा नहीं मिल रहा है. तो अभी हमें ऐसी सिचुएशन चाहिए, ऐसा पोसेट हमें चाहिए जिसमें आपको एक एलिमेंट ऐसा मिले जो हर एक एलिमेंट को प्रिसीड करे और एक एलिमेंट ऐसा मिले जिसे हर एक एलिमेंट प्रिसीड करे. Do you understand the language? Girls, do you understand my language?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. So हमें वो अभी डिफाइन करना है और उस सिंगल एलिमेंट होगा, इसलिए वो उसे हम नाम देंगे द ग्रेटेस्ट एलिमेंट एंड द लीस्ट एलिमेंट. ओके, लिखो अभी नेक्स्ट डेफिनेशंस. ग्रेटेस्ट एंड लीस्ट एलिमेंट्स. फर्स्ट वन, the greatest element. In a poset, P less than or equal to if there exists an element small a belongs to P such that x is less than or equal to a for every x belongs to P. See, when I say x is less than or equal to a, इसका मतलब x छोटा है क्या a पेक्षा? a के a से, sorry, I'm mixing all the languages. Does it mean that the magnitude of x is always less equal? I'm talking about magnitude or usual less equal. Or what I'm talking about, what is less equal? Tell me.
X precedes A.
No, but what is less than or equal to? What is less than or equal to? What does it signify?
Partial
Yes, it could be
order
any
relation.
partial order relation, okay? Then A is called the greatest element of P. So in other words, what you can say is every element of P precedes A. Okay. In other words, every element of P strictly precedes A. Okay. In the previous example, P was maximal element, Q was maximal, R was maximal, D was maximal, but D is preceded only by A and B. P is preceded only by C and A. Likewise. Okay. So हर एक एलिमेंट ने उसे प्रिसीड करना चाहिए. Now we will write the definition of the least element. That's why we use the least, the greatest. Okay, क्योंकि ये यूनिक होगा अभी. In the poset, P less than or equal to, if there exists an element A belongs to P such that, yes, what should I write now? The least element के लिए this element precedes every other element. ऐसा होना चाहिए. This element A should precede every other element. Means what? कैसे लिखोगे symbolically?
such that A precedes every element.
Means A is less equal X. A is less equal X for every X belongs to P. Then A is called the least element of P. And in other words, what you can say? A strictly precedes.
Strictly precedes every element.
Yes, A strictly precedes every other element of P. A strictly precedes every element of P. Now I am drawing few haze diagrams. From that, let us see what we can comment. Do we have greatest least elements, or we have maximal elements, or we have only greatest or and not the least, etc., etc. Okay. Finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you tell me. I'm drawing some haze diagrams. Okay. First one. Okay. So is there any least element? Or minimal element? What do you think? What do we have here? Do you find any element which precedes every other element?
Yes.
Which is that?
A.
A. A is the element which is at the bottom. So A is less equal B. A is less equal C, and A is less equal D also via transitivity. A to B, A is related to B and B is related to D. So A is related to D. Right? So A precedes every element of this poset. And therefore, A is what?
Element.
A is the least element. Okay? Getting it? It is minimal also and it is the least element also. Only one minimal element, it is the least element. Yes. Now, is there any greatest element? Is there any greatest element?
D.
D. So how can you write A is less equal D? Yes, right? Actually कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम देखो transitivity से. See, A is less equal B and B is less equal D. That implies A is less equal D. Right? Then you already have B less equal D because B is at the lower position. Right? And then you have C also at the lower position. So A is less equal D, B is less equal D, and C is less equal D. That means every element of this set, every element of this poset precedes D. See the language, see the difference. Here A precedes every element. And here every element precedes D. And therefore what is D? What is D?
Greatest element.
D is the greatest element. Okay. So whenever you have Hayes diagram which is a closed one like this, the bottom element is the least element and the topmost element is the greatest element. So all our posets DN वाले जो है वो सारे ऐसे आपको बाउंडेड दिखाई देंगे, उनके डायग्राम्स क्लोज्ड डायग्राम्स दिखाई देंगे. ओके हो गया? फिनिश्ड?
Yes, ma'am.
Now next example I'm giving you. Tell me what do you have here in this diagram? This is also Hayes diagram. A, B, this is C, this is D, E and F. Yes. What can you say about A? A precedes which elements? Tell me.
C, D, E, F.
C, D, E, and F.
C, D, E and F. But what about B? But not B, na?
No.
No. And similarly, B precedes which elements?
C, D, E, F.
C, D, E, and F.
E and F, but not
Not A.
A. They are at the same level, देखो. And therefore, आपको यहाँ पे क्या नहीं मिल रहा है? What you don't have? You don't get any element which precedes every other element, right?
Yes.
Therefore, there does not exist any element which precedes every other element. And therefore there is no least element, right? But what are A and B then? What can you say about A and B? What are they?
Non-comparable.
Minimal elements.
Yes, correct. They are minimal elements. They are minimal elements because there is no other element which precedes A and B. है ना? As no element precedes A and B. उनके नीचे कुछ नहीं है, देखो, समझा? Similarly, what can you say about E and F? What are E and F? E और F के सर पे कुछ है क्या? कुछ नहीं है. E and F are what? Maximal elements, right? Maximal elements है वो. So greatest element है क्या यहाँ पे? Is there any greatest element?
No, ma'am.
There is no greatest element, right? Because why? Because see, A precedes, every element precedes E, every element precedes F. A, B, C, D all precede E and F. But E does not precede F, F does not precede E. They are at the same level. Therefore, they are not the greatest element, but they are the maximal elements. There is no greatest element as E and F do not precede any element. Do not precede any element. Any one element होना चाहिए, कोई भी यूनिक एलिमेंट होना चाहिए. सॉरी, ये अपने ऐसे लिखना चाहिए. देयर इज नो ग्रेटेस्ट, ये हटा दो. E and F are greatest maximal elements as E and F do not precede any element. And there does not exist any element, there does not exist, or what can I say? I can say all the elements do not precede E or F, right? वो दोनों को प्रिसीड करते हैं एट ए टाइम, अलोन नहीं.